legend hides a truth.
Some are creatures, some are entire worlds, lost to time.
This is every legend.
Before you ever heard her name, you were taught to fear her. A face so terrifying, one glance would turn you to stone snakes for hair. A monster hiding in the shadows of ancient Greece. But here's what the legend doesn't tell you. Medusa wasn't born a monster, she was made into one. Our hunt takes us to ancient Greece, 3,000 years ago, where Medusa's story was first told by the poet Hesiod, and where her legend spread across the entire Mediterranean world. Long before the snakes, long before the stone, there was just a girl named Medusa. The ancient poets said she was beautiful, so beautiful that people traveled across Greece just to see her. But she wanted a quiet life of purpose, so she became a priestess of Athena. She made a sacred promise to devote her whole life to serving her goddess, and for a while, she kept it. But Medusa's beauty had caught the attention of someone else, someone powerful, Poseidon, god of the sea. And when a god decides he wants something in Greek mythology, mortals rarely get a say. Poseidon pursued Medusa into the one place she believed she'd be safe, Athena's own temple. He betrayed her there, shattering the vow she had given her goddess. Medusa had done nothing wrong, but Athena's fury needed a target, and she couldn't punish Poseidon, a god her equal, so she punished Medusa instead. Athena's punishment came down like a storm. Her legendary hair became a crown of living serpents. Her gaze, once admired by all of Greece, became a weapon. From that day forward, anyone who looked into her eyes would turn to stone forever. The curse didn't just make her dangerous, it made her alone. No one could ever look at her again. Medusa fled to a distant island at the edge of the world, and here's where the legend gets darker. She didn't hunt anyone, the heroes came to her. Wave after wave of warriors sailed to that island, not to talk, but to take her head as a trophy. Every stone statue on that island was someone who came to kill her. Medusa never asked for her power, she was simply surviving. Until Perseus, armed with gifts from the gods, winged sandals, an unbreakable sword, and a mirrored shield, he did what no one else could. By looking only at her reflection, he avoided her gaze, and Medusa's story came to an end. But even in death, she gave the world something extraordinary. From Medusa came Pegasus, the legendary winged horse, proof that even in tragedy, there was still magic in her. Here's the twist most people never learn. The ancient Greeks didn't just fear Medusa's face, they used it. Her image was carved onto shields, doorways, and temples as protection. They called it the Gorgonian, the face that could turn away evil itself. The monster became a guardian. Even Athena, the goddess who cursed her, placed Medusa's face on her own armor. Her greatest punishment became her greatest protection. And thousands of years later, Medusa is still with us in art, in movies, on clothing brands. One of the most recognized faces in human history belongs to a woman no one was allowed to look at. So, was Medusa a monster? Or was she the victim of gods who were never held accountable? Maybe the real lesson of Medusa is this: every legend hides a truth, and sometimes the scariest monsters in mythology are the ones who were never monsters at all. If this story changed how you see Medusa, hit subscribe and watch every legend, because next time we follow the creature born from her final moment, Pegasus, and his story starts exactly where hers ends.